With uncertainty still dominating the world of sports, one thing that is as sure as night follows day is that the Olympics in Japan in 2021 will take place. We're already hearing assurances from the IOC that by the hook or the crook, the Olympics will be held next year, simply because there is too much money to be lost by not having the Olympics. Before the pandemic, the Olympics were projected to generate an estimated $6 billion. That is 6,000 million US dollars. Now, even if that figure is cut in half by COVID, the IOC and the local organizing committee can afford to pull out all the stops to make the Olympics happen, whether COVID is gone or not. So if it's a bubble Olympics is required, a bubble Olympics it shall be. For the same reason that the German Bundesliga, the English Premier League, the Italian Serie A were all bubbled and bottled and presented to the world because of the type of money that these things generate, mainly from television. It is the same reason, compounded, why the Olympics will go on in some way, shape, or form. Yes. So yes, Easter might not keep, or Christmas might not keep, all New Year's would have get postponed because of COVID. But me a better know, say Olympics a keep. Me a better know say Olympics a keep. Me a better say